Hi everybody, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft. Now, a quick thing, I'm recording on a different device today, so I hope the sound's going to be okay. So basically, I was going to do a video similar to Sunday, but we'll leave that for this Sunday because this trimmer, you know that it's the best trimmer ever. One of the only trimmers that I'll ever use. I've had this for years and I love the thing. I've done a video on it before, but lately I'm getting a lot of messages from people saying, what do you do for blades? Because you can't get them again at the moment. I'm sure Creative Expressions took over Woodware. I don't know what happens, but quite a lot you can't find anything. You can't find the cutting strips, you can't find the blades, you can't find anything, and then you can't even find any trimmers. There's like nothing for months, so they've all dried up again. Now, I don't know if some of you might already be aware, but I do have a solution. So this trimmer, I'll put all the links below because there's a website called, I think it's Cuddly Buddly or Buddly Craft, something like that. I'll put the link, but they have this trimmer here, which is Nellie's Choice. Now I have it, and just as good as the Woodware. The only thing that I don't really like is it's a lot narrower. It does have the extending arm, so you know it's brilliant really. It's just as good, but still my go-to is this one. Now the solution is everything for this trimmer fits the Woodware. Okay, so the cutting strip, this is the Nellie's Choice one, comes with the trimmer. I'm going to show you here. Fits exactly the same. So that fits perfectly. I've used it many times in this one when I run out of the Woodware ones. And this one is quite handy because, if I can get the damn thing out, I've said this before, you will get 4 uses from the strip. What do I mean by that? You will put it in, then when you've used that, you will rotate it. When that's used up, you will flip it, then you will rotate it. So you will get 4 uses from one strip. But the Nellie's Choice one has the numbers on. So it's telling you 1, 2, flip it, 3, flip it, 4. So it's telling you, it's helping you out really. So as I said, that fits fine. Now the blades, I've got some spare blades I stock up because I love the trimmer. So Nellie's roller cutter blades, straight. I've got 3 of these, which I haven't opened yet. So I happen to have a Victorian because the great thing is, you will know, I think one of the things that attracts people to this trimmer is the fact that it does different blades. So scallop, Victorian, scoring, pinken, and I've got another scoring there. And these are virtually impossible to find. The only really ones you can find is the straight and the scoring. I have had so many messages over the years, where did you get the scallop and the Victorian? I just don't think they're making them anymore. However, Nellie's Choice ones come in all of them. Victorian, scallop, scoring, everything, pinken. They even do a perforating one, which I've got somewhere but I can't find it. So as you will see, I'm already using the Nellie's Choice straight because you can't get the Woodware ones. So now the downside is these are expensive, way overpriced. Sorry, but they are. I'm just being honest. I mean, I'm not getting any commission or anything for this trimmer, nothing at all. So I'm gonna, you know, it's not that I wouldn't tell you the truth, but I've got nothing to gain. So with Woodware, the Woodware blades, you always get 2 in a pack, and there's something like $4.99. These you get 1, and since I discovered them, they've put them up again. I think they were £5 something for one. I went on there last night and they're now £7 for one, which is, it's not good, that. But what I'm saying is, if you're desperate for blades to keep you going until Woodware start to hopefully release some more, these work, and they work brilliant. There's no difference. The only difference is this trimmer is being rebranded. It's slightly smaller. So, and then the cutting blades, I'm going to show you, sorry, the cutting pad things. So I told you I stock up. I'd stocked up on these anyway. Now with Woodware, you get, see, here we go. There was two here for £2.50. Again with the Nellie's Choice, I think you get two. Oh goodness me, don't hold us to that, I'm not sure. You may only get one, but that looks like that's come out of, yeah, so you must get two in a pack. And it's telling you there, it's showing you all the different blades, and they have them all on the website, and the cutting strips. So I'm going to show you that it's no different at all. So what have I got in here? Yeah, so I've got a straight Nellie's Choice one. I'll just get a bit of card. Just exactly the same. There is no difference at all. The cutting strip and the blade. And then if I take out the straight one and put in the Victorian, this again is a Nellie's Choice one. You get all those nice fancy cuts on them. So it is a solution. It's better than nothing, but as I said, I think the price is terrible for these, and they've definitely been put up again in the last few months. But as I said, you could just get one straight if you were desperate, and you know, a cutting strip, or you could stock up on all of the fancy ones, obviously the Nellie's Choice, because if you see here, let's say take out this Victorian one of the Woodware and then put this in the Nellie's Choice, and I'm going to put the Woodware strip in because it all fits. See, so they both work. You can use each thing from the same trimmer. So I will put the link for the website where you get these from, and I just hope that, well, I'm sure it's Creative Expressions who own them now. I hope they end up getting more back in, because when they do, I'll just stock up on them and the blades, because I don't know why, but everything just dries up for ages sometimes. You just can't get a hold of anything, and I don't know why that is. I hope they don't like discontinue it completely, because I was going to get a new one of these, only because like the numbers are really starting to wear off now. I mean, it, you know, it's still fine, and I hope I still go by what I said. This is the best trimmer you can ever buy, because I think one thing that I hate seeing is, like, you know, so many people make beautiful cards and things, they really do, and then those awful sort of rough edges will let them down so much, but you will never get that with this. The blades last for ages, so does the cutting strip, because bear in mind you've got four usages from it. So there we go. I'll put the links, and I hope that's helped you out for now. yeah, and I'll be back again on Sunday. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.